In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Invoice in Odoo. We'll begin from the home screen in Odoo. From there, go into the accounting area, which may also appear as Invoices depending on your layout. This is where Odoo keeps your billing and customer invoice tools, so once you're here, you're in the right place to create and manage invoices. Next, open the Customers menu and then click on Invoices. This takes you to the Customer Invoices page, where you can view existing invoices or create a new one. To start a fresh invoice, click New. Now you'll be on the invoice form. In the customer field, search for the customer by name or by tax ID. Choosing the correct customer is important because Odoo will use that customer record for billing details, payment behavior, and invoice history. After selecting the customer, enter the invoice date. This is the date the invoice is issued. Then add the due date, which tells the customer when payment is expected. If you prefer, instead of typing a due date manually, you can choose payment terms. That's helpful if your business uses standard rules like due in 15 days, 30 days, or end of month. Next, choose a journal. The journal controls how the invoice is recorded in your accounting records, so make sure it matches the type of invoice you're creating. Now move to the Invoice Lines tab. Click Add a Line and choose a product. This is where you define what the customer is being billed for. Odoo can automatically pull in product details, pricing, and related accounting information, which helps reduce manual entry and keeps records more accurate. You'll also notice a few optional formatting tools here. You can click Add a section to organize the invoice into clear groups, which is useful for larger invoices. You can also click Add a note if you want to include extra information or helpful context for the customer. If needed, open the catalog to browse available products and then click back to Invoice to return to the invoice form. After that, you can review the Journal Items tab if you want to see the accounting entries connected to the invoice. You can also open Other Info to check or adjust additional settings and background details. Finally, if you want to communicate directly from the invoice, click Send Message. Type your message in the highlighted area, keeping it clear and professional, and then click Send. That's the full process for setting up an invoice in Odoo. Once everything looks correct, you'll be ready to continue with your normal invoicing workflow and keep your customer billing organized.